All right, let's look at the problem set 5, problem number 6. All right, it says this, Jack needs to form a committee of 3 from 8 research attorneys to study possible changes to the Supreme Court. If 2 of the attorneys are too inexperienced to serve together on the committee, how many different committees can he form? All right. So there are 2 cases. First case, case 1, right? This is going to be, let's have with an inexperienced attorney, right? So you have 3 spots for the committee. So 1, 2, 3, right? So let's have this to be the inexperienced one. So you can see that here there are only 2 choices, right? So we're going to pick one of the 2. So you have 2 choices. Maybe we'll say 2 ways for the inexperienced one, right? So for the other 2 positions, so we cannot use those 2 guys because one is already taken. The other one we cannot take. So there will be 6 others left over, and we have to pick 2. So there's going to be a combination of, let's say, 6, 2, right? This is going to be a combination because order in which we choose attorney, it doesn't make a different committee. So it's going to be a combination. All right, so it's going to be 2 times. So there's going to be 2 times combination 6, 2. All right, so it's going to be 2 times. All right, it's combination 6, 2 is 6 times 5. Divided by 2 factorial, so it's a 2 times 1. All right, so you can cancel 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Then 6 times 5 is going to be 30. All right, so 30 different committees with an inexperienced attorney. All right, how about 2? We can go without an inexperienced attorney. All right. So again, we have 3 spots. All right. All 3 comes from the experienced one. So you have to choose all 3 from 6 research attorneys. So this is going to be. There's going to be a combination 6 choose 3 ways. All right, so you have C 6, 3 is going to be, all right, start with 6 and you go down 1 by 1 and you have to go down until you get the 3 factors and divide by 3 factorial. So 3 times 2 times 1. So we can cancel 6 and the 3, 2, and 5 times 4 is 20, right? So we can have 30 possible committees with an experienced attorney, and we can have 20 more committees without them, right? So the total is going to be, right, 50. All right, so therefore answer is C. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.